Well, the building, my wife got that for me for my birthday because I'd outgrown my existing shop, which I've been using since we bought the house and moved in 1980. And I've just literally filled up the existing shop, which is 8 by 10, and I have to move stuff out of it to get everything, to access everything in there, and I have to empty out a lot of it just if I have to change out the AC in it. She got that for me, said she'd buy the building, pay for the sheetrock and the insulation for my birthday, and it's like, wow, okay. It just made my day. So I've been wiring on it. Got a little bit of insulation, but I have to get the wiring in there before I start insulating it. And eventually I'm going to sheetrock it. Well, when we went down to Atlas, I said, you're nearly going to have to build that on site because it's only a 10-foot gate. And I don't know that anybody can back a trailer in here through a 10-foot gate with a 10-foot building on it without hanging something. So they came out, bid it, build it on site to what I wanted. It's 10 by 20, and it's 2.5 times bigger than what I have. And so I should be able to use it as a shop. I told them how many pounds roughly would be in it, and they said, well, that's not a problem. We will double the floor. They put 2 3/4-inch sheets of plywood in there, and it was on 16-inch centers. A portable building is very affordable, and if you ever need to, I'd have to take out a section of fence. I can move it if I need to. They were just right on it, and the people they had build that thing, they really knew what they were doing. I did 19 years active in reserve with the Seabees, so I'm intimately familiar with construction. I took pictures of the different stages of construction on this portable building, and I can show you the pictures of how they built it and how it was 16-inch centers and how they did it in the correct stages. They were really professional in the way they constructed it. There was only 3 bags of waste or scrap that they had to pick up. They got the sawdust, they got all the nails, all the screws. They had all of that. I haven't found anything out in my yard that they left, okay? They got all the scrap wood, and like I said, they got the sawdust even. They did a real professional job building it, and they knocked it out in one day. I think they started about 9 or 10 o'clock, and they were through by 4:30, 5 o'clock. And that's impressive. That's impressive. They had everything they needed. They didn't have to make a run to go pick up anything extra. They were professional. Okay.